The controversial businessman and Mnangagwa was a long-time ally Kudakwashe Tagure is now openly leading a parallel 2030 re-election campaign, sidelining veteran party cadres and igniting fresh tensions within the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sanapenda mashukubura panguwa ino nyasi kuonkonza aiwa zvegananda panguwa ino zvaijika bato rezANU-PF ratogwa nezvigananda. Ndokuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mnamubuda nyuka mchidzi Tagure, recently elected into ZANU-PF's Central Committee, will be guest of honor at high-profile event organized by Young Women for Economic Development held at NAST Ceremonial Hall on the 25th of June 2025. Brilliant as part of the Leadership Success Series under the theme The Lady Tenure, Unlocking the Potential of Young People. The gathering will see the launch of the Vendors for ED Presidential Empowerment Fund, a strategic populist move aimed at consolidating Mnangagwa's grassroots support. But critics say the event is less about youth empowerment and more about power consolidation by Mnangagwa's loyalists, infamously referred to as the Zvigananda faction, a term now synonymous with sycophants and corrupt praise singers, enabling Mnangagwa's 30-term ambitions. Joining Tagure on the poster and begging the ED 2030 project are other prominent Zvigananda figures. Paul Tungwarara, Presidential Investment Advisor, Owen Nguve, Minister of State, Munyaradzi Machacha, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar, Notenda Machakaire, the Youth Minister, Jabulani Sivanda, Tenda Mabetera, Nyasha Monda, Sandra Ndevele. Analysts say this group, carefully chosen for their undivided loyalty to Mnangagwa, forms the nucleus of a political machinery prepared the ground for an ED 2030 campaign, a project aimed at extending President Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutional limits of 2 terms. Tagure's recent appointment to the Central Committee, confirmed by Party Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Namasa, was facilitated through back channels. Though nominated by Masvingo Province, it was Harare Province, closely aligned with Mnangagwa, that cleared a slot for him, signaling how President's inner circle is shaping the party's future trajectory. Thomas Kwarubuda panguwa ine pamsoro aiwapigwa jeketi wajika wakuitwa bato panguwa ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi kune munhu pasi Zvigananda zvatora bato. Zvigananda ndo zvakutonga nyika. VP Constantino Chiwenga has been sidelined. Kunyarara kwavakaita zvekare general panguwa ine kuri kutoshamisa vanhu nokuda kwekuti vanhu vari kuona kuti maatax ari kuitwa VP Constantino Chiwenga, but he is choosing to remain silent. We do not know what he is planning. Nango message medu dzimafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell.